Hello grade 8 students. Welcome sa isa na naman nating video lesson in mathematics for grade 8 quarter 1 module 1B entitled Factoring Perfect Square Trinomials and General Trinomials. So let's proceed to the lesson 2 of this module, Factoring General Trinomials. Under pa rin po ng ating grade 8 Mathematics Quarter 1 Module 1B. So diretso po tayo sa once more. Let us answer Activity 1 at Activity 2. Kasi ito po yung dalawang activity na yung problem is to find the factors of the given trinomial. So pag sinabi po nating general trinomial, it is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, ito po yung general form niya in which yung a po natin ay maaring a is equal to 1. Dalawang cases po yan. First case, your a is equal to 1. And the other case is when your a is not equal to 1. Right? So, kung titingnan po natin dito, class, sa ating example, sa ating activity 1, missing you under ng what's more. So, meron po tayong given trinomials. So, it is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. So, pag sinabi po natin a equals to 1, yung numerical coefficient po ng ating first term with the highest degree or exponent which is 2. Yung coefficient po niya ay, numerical coefficient ay 1. So pag wala pong nakasulat na numerical coefficient, yung first term natin na may degree na 2 o exponent na 2, so ibig po sabihin yan, 1 ang kanyang numerical coefficient. Pag hindi naman equal to 1, yan nakasulat. For example, yung number 4 natin tsaka number 5. 2x squared yung simula nila. Sa number 5 is 3x squared. Ang tawag po natin sa coefficient niya ay leading coefficient. Itong A is the leading coefficient. So pag ang leading coefficient niya ay equal to 1, may pare-pareho tayong mamaraan sa paghanap ng kanyang factors. Pag ang leading coefficient naman niya ay hindi equal to 1, then we also have different process for that. So, we will show first the process sa 1, 2, at saka 3 natin. Ang leading coefficient ay 1. So, we have an example here. A word for number 1. Sagutan na lang po natin plus 12a plus 11. So, diretso na lang po tayo sagot para masabay po natin yung explanation at ang pagpapakita ng solusyon ng kasagutan na nasa answer key. So, ang una po nating investigate is the leading coefficient. Again, the leading coefficient is equal to 1. So, pag equal to 1, ang leading coefficient, so, mas madali po yung isolve. Kasi mas komplikado po yung example ng 4 and 5 pag ang leading coefficient ay hindi equal to 1. Alright? So, first natin investigate is the third term, which is 11. So, si 11, hahanapan lang po natin si 11 ng mga factors. So, ano po ba yung mga factors ni 11? Kapag i-add po natin, ang sum po niya ay 12. So, hanapan po natin ang factor sa 11. 11 is a prime number. Right? So, 11 times 1. Pag in-add po natin, dapat ang answer ay ang middle term. Or the coefficient of the middle term, which is 12. So, in this case, sakto. 11 times 1 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12, which is the middle term, or the coefficient of the middle term. So, therefore, ang pagsulat po niya ng kanyang factors ay square root lang po ng first term, which is A. So, A sa magkabilang factor. Kasi, tapos plus sign po natin yung sign po ng ating factors, 11 tsaka 1. Pareho po silang positive. So, ang magiging sagot po niyan ay A plus 11 times A plus 1. So, if you check here, meron na pong A plus 11. So, therefore, yung sagot po natin dito is 1. Okay. Number 2 po, again, yung given is B squared plus 6B plus 8. So, the leading coefficient is 1. Therefore, check tayo ng factors ni 8. Kapag in-add natin, the sum is 6. So, ano yung factors na 8? The sum is 6. So, meron tayong 4 tsaka 2. So, pag in-add mo si 4 plus 2, that is 6. So, therefore, the factors are B, kasi B squared, parehong positive, so B plus 4 times B plus 2. Okay, ito lang po pagdali guys. So, hanap lang kayo ng factors ni 8 na pag in-add nyo, ang sum ay 6. So, 4 plus 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. So, this is the factors. B plus 2 at B plus 4. Therefore, 4 po yung magiging kasagutan natin sa blank nito. Yan. B plus 2 times B plus 4. Alright, proceed tayo sa number 3. We have C squared minus 7C plus 6. So, the leading coefficient natin ay 1 kasi C squared half. So, let's proceed to investigate the factors of our third term or the constant. So, we have, when we add ay magiging negative 7. So, meron tayong 3 and 2. In-add mo 5. So, other factors is 6 and 1. So, yun na ang flow natin, 6 and 1. Pag in-add mo yan, 7. Kasi negative 7 yung sign. So, dapat negative yung dalawa. Para pag in-add mo, negative 6 plus negative 1, that is negative 7. In which pareho ng ating middle term, negative 7. So, therefore, pick natin tong dalawang factors na to. So, dalawang factors natin pagkasulat. First term nila ay C, kasi C squared tayo. Square root lang ng first term natin na C squared. C, both sides. Then the sign, depende sa sign ng ating nakita factors. So, minus 6, tsaka minus 1. So, therefore, sagot natin dito is 6. C minus 6 times C minus 1. Okay. So, yun po yung pamamaraan para ma-factor natin yung general trinomial natin with a leading coefficient equal to 1. So, ito naman po yung number 4 and number 5, example ng leading coefficient na hindi po 1 ang kanyang leading coefficient. So, 3, ito pong given, 2x squared minus 3x minus 9. Yung leading coefficient po natin ay hindi na 1. 2 na. So, ang pamamaraan po natin dito ay isalin na natin si leading coefficient sa paghanap ng factors. So, hindi na lang si 9. Isama na rin natin si 2. So, magiging 2x squared times the third term, negative 9. That is equal to negative 18x squared. So, hahanapan natin to ng factor na once in-add po natin silang dalawa, the result is negative 3x. So, ano yung factors ni 18? Na pag in-add natin, magiging negative 3. So, yung clue natin dito is 6 and 3. Kasi yung ibang factors, 9 and 2, malayo sa 3. 18 and 1, malayo naman sa 3. 6 and 3 lang ang medyo malapit. Si 6 tsaka si 3. Tapos, dahil negative, isa sa kanila mag-negative. Pag in-add po natin, dahil negative yung sagot, siyempre, ang magdadala ng negative sign is yung mas malaking number. So, negative 6 plus 3, that is equal to negative 3. So, lagay lang natin si x. Again, negative 6x times 3x, that's negative 18x squared. Pag in-add negative 6x plus 3x, that is equal to the middle term, negative 3x. So, expand lang natin si middle term plus 2x squared minus 6x plus 3x minus 9. So, ito si middle term expanded. Yan. Negative 6x plus 3x is equal to negative 3x. Then, i-group po natin sila 2x squared at saka si negative 6x ang i-group natin. Tapos, plus 3x minus 9. Yan. Kukuha po tayo ng common factor sa nakagroup natin ng mga binomial. So, magiging x na lang minus 3. Kasi 2x squared divided by 2x, that's x. Negative 6x divided by 2x, that's negative 3. So, minus 3. So, copy lang ng sign plus common factor naman ni 3x at saka ni 9 is 3. So, matira na lang si x minus 3. So, in this case, class, you see that there is that common factor ng dalawang term. Common binomial factor nila is yung x minus 3. So, ilabas lang natin si x minus 3. So, ang natira, si 2x plus 3. So, that is now your other factor, 2x plus 3. So, x minus 3 times 2x plus 3. Pwede po nating i-check yan, class. So, pwede ninyong i-multiply dalawang factor to check. Then, dapat equal siya sa original equation natin. So, dito tayo sa fill in the blank. Meron ng x minus 3. So, ang kabila is 2x plus 3. Susulat na lang natin si 2. Okay? That is 2x, quantity of 2x plus 3 times the quantity of x minus 3. Okay, number 5. So, copy natin 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. Again, kasi ang leading coefficient ay D1, so we will multiply the first term to the last term, third term. That is negative equal to negative 6 x squared. So again, nahanap ng factors na pag in-add natin, equivalent niya ay middle term na 5x. Negative 6x squared. So negative 6, ano kayang factors ni negative 6? Na pag in-add natin ay positive 5. So, posible 6 tsaka 1. Which is, pag minus natin yan, 6 minus 1, 5. So, tama. So, copy na lang natin si x. 1x is just x. So, 6x times negative x, that is negative 6x squared. 6x minus x, that is equal to 5x. So, when we expand our equation, our polynomial, we have 3x squared plus 6x minus x minus 2. So, expanded form na ang middle term natin. So, now, we will regroup. So, i-regroup natin si 3x squared tsaka si 6x minus x. Dahil minus ang inilabas natin, magiging plus na to, plus x plus 2. So, ano ang common factor ng 3x squared tsaka 6x? Si 3x. So, ang natira na lang is si x para sa first term plus 2 minus x plus 2. So, considered po yan na 1 po ang numerical multiplier po natin sa quantity neto. Times 1 po dyan. Para paglabas natin ng x plus 2, kasi yan ang common factor, binomial factor, ang natira na lang ay si 3x minus 1. So, let us check. So, may x plus 2, tapos may blank x, so 3x minus 1. Right? Mga class, so let us answer activity 2 para mas practice pa po tayo. Factor completely. So we will just give the factors of each polynomial. Sige. So number 1, 2, and 3 again. 1 ang kanilang leading coefficient. Si 4 and 5 not equal to 1 ang kanilang leading coefficient. So, for number 1, c squared minus 6c minus 40. Again, dahil 1 ang leading coefficient, so focus lang tayo kay third term. So, si negative 40. So, ano ang factors ni negative 40? Na ang lalabas pag in-add natin ay negative 6. So, pwede 10 times 4, 40. Para pag 10 minus 4, that's 6. So, pwede mo siyang i-pair si 10 tsaka si 4. So, dahil negative, so sino ang, yung isa sa kanila ay negative dapat, yung isa positive. Dahil negative 6 ang resulta ng ating middle term, so dapat mas malaki ang number na mas malaki ay may sign na negative. Para pag-add natin negative 10 plus 4, that is equal to negative 6. So, therefore, madali na lang ang kanyang factors. So, yung dalawang factors natin C, both binomial. First term is C, then minus 10, tsaka plus 4. So, yung factors natin is C minus 10 times C plus 4. Or you can write in any arrangement, C plus 4 times C minus 10. Number 2. Still, 1 pa rin ang ating leading coefficient. So, focus lang tayo sa factors ng ating third term, which is 16. So, what are the factors of 16? That when we add is equal to 10. So, 16, 4 and 4, 8. So, kung 4 binigyan natin 4 times 4, i-add natin si 4 plus 4, 8. So, hindi pwede. So, ano po ang 16 natin? 8 tsaka 2. Okay. So, pwede si 8 tsaka 2 para pag-add equals to 10. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 plus 2 is 10. So, therefore, our factors E, the first term, all plus. So, A plus 8 times E plus 2. Alright. Kung na class? Number 2. Number 3 na pala tayo. H squared minus 5h minus 24. So again, third term. Find factors of negative 24. That when you add them, the answer is negative 5. So 24 pwedeng 6 times 4. Hindi naman, pag subtract natin, hindi naman 5. So ano pang 24? 8 and 3. Yan, pwede. So 8 and 3. So isa sa kanila negative. Kasi negative 24. So dapat negative times positive. Pag in-add mo, si negative ang masusunod na sign. So therefore, C bigger number ang may negative na sign. Para negative 8 plus 3, that is equal to negative 5. So therefore, our factors is h minus 8 times h plus 3. Yan. Tsaka dito yan. So, h minus 8 times 8 plus 3. So again, class, you can check the answer by multiplying the two binomials. Okay. Number 4. 4 and 5 class ay gagamit na po tayo ng ibang proseso kasi yung leading coefficient niya ay 3. Sa number 5 naman ay 4. Hindi na sila equal to 1. So, 3x squared minus 5x minus 12. So, first term times the third term. 3x squared times negative 12. That is equal to negative 36x squared. Let us find the factors that when we add, that is equal to negative 5x. 36. 6 times 6. Hindi yan pwede kasi dapat negative 5 ang labas. What are other factors? 36 divided by 4. 9. Let's try 9 and ayan, 4. Para 9 minus 4, that is 5. So, sino ang may negative? C, 9. para negative 9 plus 4, negative 5. Alright, so expand natin si 3x squared minus 9x. May x to guys kasi x squared ang resulta natin. So negative 9x plus 4x plus 4x minus 12. Yan, expand lang natin si middle term. Then, regrouping. Then, factor out the common factor. So we have here 3x times x minus 3. Tapos dito 4. Tapos si 4. Kasi common si 4 sa 4x at 12. So 4 ilalabas natin. So 4 ang matira. X na lang tsaka si 3. So common si x minus 3. Sulat natin yan as one of the factors. X minus 3. Pag ilabas mo si x minus 3, ang natira si IC 3x plus 4. Yan o. Si 3x at saka si plus 4. So therefore, factors natin x minus 3 times 3x plus 4. So yan, sulat natin dito. Yan. Okay, nakuha class? Number 5. 4x squared plus 4x minus 15. So 4x squared times negative 15. That is equal to negative 60. Negative 60 x squared. So, factor this negative 60x squared. Na pag inad po natin, ang sagot ay plus 4x or positive 4x. Ano yun? Si 60. 60 pwedeng 6 times 10. Pwede. Then positive man si 4, therefore si 10 ang positive. That's 6. So 10 minus 6, that is equal to 4. So we can now expand this middle term using this 10x plus minus 6x. So 4x squared plus 10x minus 6x minus 15. Group. Then factor out 2x. So we have 2x plus 5. Okay. Minus. Common factor nila ay 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2x. Plus tayo, plus kasi negative yung nandito. So mag-change sign tayo dito. Magiging plus na. So negative 15 divided by negative 3, that is positive 5. Kaya yan, plus. So negative 6x divided by negative 3, so positive 2x. Negative 15 divided by negative 3, that's plus 5. Positive 5. So, common si 2x plus 5 on both terms. Therefore, ilabas natin si 2x plus 5 as their common binomial factor. Yan. Ang natira si 2x tsaka si negative 3. 2x minus 3. Yun. So, merong sagot na tayo dito. Alright. So, now you know kung paano po nakuha ang mga sagot na nasa answer key ninyo. Hanggang dito na lang po tayo, mga katropa. Like and subscribe.